We're back! Wheel Collectors is back, my friends. We got something hot off the truck today. We have the brand new Retro Entertainment Premium Hot Wheels T case. This case is awesome. It's not necessarily a congruent set, meaning the cars don't necessarily relate to each other. But individually, these 5 cars are very cool. As always, we're going to do our top-down view so you can see what's in the case. There are some straight goodies in this. Okay, here we go. The first 2 cars in the case are the ever-popular Gumball 3000 cars. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this. Gumball 3000 is interesting. You might look that up, but people travel a long way with a huge group of people with the Gumball 3000. This right here is a Pagani Huayra. You know, I've never really figured out if that's how you say it or not, but that's how you say it in my mind. This car is sick. See the Pagani on the bumper back there? Gotta like that car. Hopefully you get a good view of it right there. It says Gumball 3000 in the windshield. Okay, the next car in the case. Another sweet race car. This is the Gran Turismo Mazda 787B in black with the white tampos. It's got the Gran Turismo on the spoiler. The spoiler in every single package that we've seen is just a little bent because of the bubble, which I know is a little annoying, but the car itself is awesome. Super cool racing car. That's the Mazda 787. I'm going to save my favorite for last. I don't know if it's going to be your guys' favorite or not. This is another Gran Turismo car that's 2 per case. It's the Porsche 962. It's got some huge white racing rims on it. It's got the white and blue decals. Again, the Gran Turismo cars over the course of the last 5 or so years have been super popular. And this particular Porsche is just awesome. Okay. The next to last car is actually not even a car. It's straight out of the Wonder Woman movie. It's the Wonder Woman jet. WW84 on the card. I don't know if you guys can get a good view of that jet or not. And then, for the last car in the case, I absolutely love this car. I actually texted Jimmy from Mattel about how much I like this car. But it's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon. The card back's unbelievable. And then, I don't know if you noticed this, but the gun turrets on the top move. The side door opens and there's another gun in there. This is a super heavy model. And I just love it. It's fine if you don't, but we all like what we like. But this Party Wagon is unbelievable, guys. All right, let's do our top-down view. That's all that's in the case. Thank you again for joining us from all of us at Wheel Collectors. We hope you're having fun. Hot Wheels is definitely, and collecting diecast is definitely something everyone should be focusing on right now, just to have a little fun. Gotta have more fun, people. Over and out.